today we're here in my cabinet shop. So once in a while, we need to move electrical out of the places or wire something. And so we got this really nice setup for the wire nuts. And it comes with a small one for the small wire nuts. And we got a bigger one for the thicker gauge of cable. So we're gonna try them on, which, you know, should be really fun. So we're gonna set up our wire nuts right now, so you guys can see how it works. Gonna put the two cables in the middle. See how nice and sturdy it is. It won't come off. Really strong, and even if you try to untie them, they're really in there. I'm gonna tie it up, and then you can back it up and take it out. See how's that? Really satisfied with the product. Nice. Ready? Nice, nice.